Please like, share, and subscribe. Bromeliads are unique and exotic-looking tropical plants known for their stunning foliage and bright, colorful flowers. They belong to the Bromeliaceae family and are popular in both indoor and outdoor gardens due to their striking appearance and minimal care requirements. Here's a detailed overview of bromeliad flowers. 1. Appearance. Flowers. Bromeliad flowers come in a variety of shapes and colors, including bright pink, red, orange, yellow, and purple. The flowers often appear as colorful bracts, modified leaves, that surround the true, smaller flowers in the center. The bracts can remain colorful for several months, making bromeliads visually striking. Leaves. The leaves are usually long, stiff, and arranged in a rosette form, often with a central cup that can hold water. They can be green, silver, or even patterned with stripes or spots. 2. Blooming time. Bromeliads generally bloom once in their lifetime, which can last several months. After flowering, the plant slowly dies, but it will produce pups or offsets that can be propagated into new plants. 3. Growth habit. Height. Bromeliads vary in size, from small tabletop varieties that are about 6 to 12 inches tall to large landscape varieties that can reach up to 3 feet in height. Structure. They grow in a rosette form, with a central cup-like structure that can collect water. Some bromeliads grow as epiphytes, on other plants or trees, in their natural habitat, while others grow in the ground. 4. Habitat. Native to tropical and subtropical regions of the Americas, bromeliads thrive in warm, humid conditions. They can grow as epiphytes on trees, in soil, or even on rocks. In gardens, they can adapt to both indoor and outdoor environments, provided they are protected from extreme cold. 5. Care requirements. Light. Bromeliads prefer bright, indirect light. While some species can tolerate low light, others may need more sunlight to maintain their vibrant colors. Direct sunlight should be avoided, as it can scorch the leaves. Soil. Bromeliads require well-draining soil. A mixture of orchid bark, perlite, and peat moss works well for potted bromeliads. Epiphytic varieties can be grown in specialized mounts or baskets. Watering. The central cup should be filled with water, which should be replaced periodically to prevent stagnation. The soil should be kept lightly moist but not soggy. 4. Mounted bromeliads. Misting the plant regularly can help maintain humidity. Humidity. High humidity is preferred, especially for epiphytic species. In dry indoor environments, using a humidifier or placing the plant on a humidity tray can help. 6. Propagation. Bromeliads are propagated by separating the pups, offsets, that grow from the base of the parent plant after it blooms. These pups can be planted separately to form new plants. 7. Pests and diseases. Bromeliads are generally pest-resistant, but can occasionally be affected by scale insects, mealybugs, or aphids. Root rot can be an issue if the plant is overwatered or grown in poorly draining soil. 8. Uses. Bromeliads are popular as ornamental plants due to their exotic appearance and ease of care. They are used in indoor gardens, as landscape plants in tropical and subtropical climates, and as decorative accents in outdoor containers or hanging baskets. 9. Cultural significance. In some cultures, bromeliads are associated with tropical beauty and exotic elegance. They symbolize resilience and creativity due to their ability to thrive in diverse conditions. 10. Companion planting. Bromeliads pair well with other tropical plants such as orchids, ferns, and philodendrons. In landscape settings, they can be used to create striking combinations with other colorful foliage plants. Bromeliads are admired for their unique structure, vivid colors, and adaptability to various growing conditions. Their exotic appearance and relatively low maintenance make them popular for both indoor decor and tropical garden landscapes.